What's up guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to install 12 volt outlet in your motorcycle. I bought this one from the Amazon. It comes with 12 volt outlet and also comes with 2 USB port, so you can use it for cell phone charging, and you can use 12 volt outlet for GPS also. I will put link in the description so you can buy this one. I have 2017 Honda CBR 500R, and to do this job I need Allen key, 5mm, Phillips screwdriver and few set of cable tie. But check for your motorcycle which tools you need to reach out to the battery. Let's start the job with removing the seat. sure you connect the red cable with the positive terminal and the black or blue cable with the negative terminal. If you connect in the reverse polarity, you may damage your motorcycle. As you can see, you can use the 12 volt outlet for the air pump in the emergency situation. If you are on the road or somewhere and you lose the air because of puncture or something, you can have a compact air pump with your motorcycle and you can use anywhere without any help. You can buy this kind of compact air pump from your local store or online. So this is one of the must-have component in your motorcycle. So make sure you install this and it will help you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and it was helpful, then please hit the like, share and subscribe. See you next time.